morning, it's Monday, and we are on our way to Cardio Bar. Woo! Exercise! I'm currently a little bit behind on vlogs. It's because last week was such a busy week. And I'm sorry. It was very, very busy and stressful. And I will try to stay on top of it from here on out.
Fight for success.
Okay, guys, I just got in the shower and I don't have any makeup on. Don't judge me. I just got a package in the mail. And I wanted to show it to you. Sentences. I wanted to show it to you because I'm sharing my life with you via the internet. Why did I decide to do this? I don't know. Why are you deciding to watch it? I don't know. But nonetheless, I got a package and Franklin is thoroughly investigating it already. So, think back to last week when I uploaded a video of me trying to do a makeup tutorial with the Naked 3 palette. That day, I realized makeup is complicated and you need a ton of brushes that I didn't know you needed. So I had this $100 gift certificate to Amazon and I bought a bunch of brushes, which all came in this week. The four on the, I don't know if it's left or right for you, the four that are all the same color, these are like Real Technique brushes, that's what they're called, and those all came in a pack together with with this thingy, and then all these brushes on the other side I bought individually, and they were based off all the makeup tutorials I was watching. I just had a girly day that day and went crazy with online makeup brushes shopping. I also got this that just came in the mail, which is Urban Decay's Vice 2. I don't know what it is or how valuable it is. All I know is what I'm told through marketing, because I believe what advertisers tell me, which is that I need this because it's going to go away soon and I want to look like that lady because she's a model. I mostly just bought it just for fun and because I was looking at all those makeup tutorials and they look really fun and I wanted to try them. And I'm going to Vegas and the Vice 2 palette, I don't know if you guys have seen it yet. I haven't seen it. I've just seen it in the tutorials, but like, let's look at it. Let's look at it. Okay, so I've never seen anything like this. Woo! Okay, that wasn't part of it. I thought I broke it. That's totally something I would do. I'd totally break something like that right off the bat. It's not broken. That was a foam piece that was protecting this like diamond casing. Holy shit. That's really fancy. I feel like I am gonna break it though. Okay, so I guess it pops open! Ha 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 ha! Ha! Fancy makeup. It's very fancy. Not used to that. I'm used to just one at a time eyeshadows. This is a lot of them. But I have an event tonight that I'm going to, and I'm going to play around with it a little bit, and we'll see what happens. This is a very unflattering angle.
Everybody wanna be famous.
I have Scotch tape on my eyes because I'm going to try one of these winged look that the fancy girls did. And they were like, put Scotch tape on your eyes, you get the perfect line. And I'm like, you're like 21 and you don't get your skin messed up from that, asshole. But I'm gonna do it anyway.
Yeah, y'all. 'Cause everybody wanna be famous. Rich enough for the stars, who can blame us? Las Vegas, VIP status. Everybody wanna be famous. 'Cause everybody wanna be famous. Rich enough for the stars, who can blame us? Stacking papers, real money makers. Everybody wanna be.
I did it all by myself, no makeup tutorial. I'm kind of really proud of myself. It turned out pretty good. I used to actually be really into doing makeup when I was like, like 14 to 16 years old. Like sometime before I became an actual adult that had to worry about like real things and spend time on that. I used to be into makeup. Forgot. But look at what a fucking mess it makes. Because you have to use so many brushes and shit. Look at the shoes I'm gonna wear. My eyeshadow. Someone take a picture. I put earrings on. Ooh. Oh, I gotta pick up Jess. Oh, we gotta go.
Look at Mario.
Oh yeah, it is very right. Oh yeah, I should probably show the actual. Anything in that outfit counts. They suck at school. It doesn't matter, they're hot. looks like a hickey that